In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to remove and install the printhead on the Canon MAXIFY GX7080 step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is a new printer model, and many users may not be familiar with how to handle the printhead correctly. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step, so you can safely remove and install the printhead without causing any damage. This is especially important if you need to clean or replace the printhead. Before removing the printhead, it is important to turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. Now you can easily remove the printhead. It is a simple process, but make sure to be careful. As you can see, we have easily removed the printhead and installed it back into the printer. This was a simple tutorial to show you the correct way to remove and reinstall the printhead on this model. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others for more helpful tutorials.